Every breath, every step. Sometimes we forget to look back and say it, but today I'm looking back. Lapho ilanga liphuma, ngibona umusa wakho. Through the valley, through the storm, you kept me safe, you kept me warm. I was lost in the noise of the city, but you spoke to my soul in the silence. Ngiyabonga, ngiyabonga, ngiyabonga njalo Baba, ngiyabonga, ngiyabonga, ngiyabonga for the light, for the light, for the love. Simple things, for the peace of mind. Stay grateful.